Thanks for tuning in. I'm doing something fun today and I have my little helper. Say hi to the camera, Sophia.
Hi.
Okay, so what we're going to be doing together today is Merriman's chocolate mochi cake. I have made this a couple of times now and it's a fave of the ladies. It's going to go to a party tonight, so I think it's going to work out. So the first things we're going to do is 4 tablespoons of butter. So this is butter. This is Costco butter. It's in the blue box and it's the only butter I use. And 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. So this is semi-sweet. The original recipe calls for dark chocolate, but then I don't really like dark chocolate in cookies and cakes. So I decided to do semi-sweet chocolate. I have this one, which is Bailey's Original Irish Cream, but it pretty much tastes like semi-sweet chocolate that you could buy from Ghirardelli or Nestle. So definitely Ghirardelli or Nestle semi-sweet chocolate. If you have a bitter tooth, you can do dark chocolate. So that's 6 ounces. So go ahead and put that in the microwave, Sophia. All right. The next one is 2 cups mochiko flour. So this is mochiko. This is, I grew up on this flour, and it can be found at Asian stores or Filipino stores. I have not really seen it in the Asian section at Albertsons or Ralph's or anything like that. So this is mochiko flour and it runs for less than $2 is what I've seen. So Sophia, 2 cups mochiko flour please. So she's gonna help me out. All right, 2 cups. 1 1/2 cups sugar. So this is just plain old sugar stock, and we got to do something to make it sweet a little bit. All right, 1 1/2 cup sugar. Okay. 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, but it's cocoa powder, my daughter says. Right, Sophia?
Yeah.
They're smarter than us. So, let's see, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. 1, 2. Bring that up to the camera, how rich that is. Show them how rich that is. So Hershey's cocoa, don't use any other brand, okay? Hershey's cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon baking soda. 1 tablespoon baking soda. So this is baking soda, orange box. I get mixed up with this and baking powder. So baking soda, okay? 1 teaspoon salt. All right. 1 teaspoon salt. Okay, so let's do this. 1 teaspoon, you could do 2 1/2. 1.
What's next?
2. Okay. So 1 teaspoon salt. 1 1/2 cups canned coconut milk. All right. So let me show you this coconut milk. This is the only coconut milk that I use. I found it about 10 years ago, and I suggest not using anything else. And I find this at a lot of stores. So it is the brand. It's a well-trusted brand, product of Thailand. All right, you can't go wrong with this one. Right, Sophia?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. 1 1/2 cups evaporated milk. All right, so that seemed to take the whole can. So same. This is the only brand I use. I don't go off brand. So for sure, get this Nestle brand. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Wow, you have steady hands. Okay, and then 4 large eggs. And I'll get the mixer ready. How did I get you to agree to do a video with me?
Let's take you to the spectrum.
I'm taking you to Spectrum.
Yeah.
Ooh, how fun. Okay, third egg, or are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. This is how it initially looks. Everything is in here. Okay, so I'm gonna recount the recipe to make sure we have everything. 4 tablespoons of butter and 6 ounces semi-sweet chocolate. So go ahead and get it ready. It's in the microwave. We already took 2 cups of mochiko flour. We did 1 1/2 cups sugar, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 1/2 cups canned coconut milk, and 1 1/2 cups evaporated milk, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 4 large eggs. So the butter and the cocoa powder, when you melt it, it is very, very thick, but it does add the richness to the mochiko flour. So I'll go ahead and show you up close before it went in. This is what it looks like. It's almost like a ganache, but the ganache is going into mochi. All right, you ready to mix?
Yeah.
Okay. Want to put on a thing so your white outfit doesn't get messed up
I'm okay.
for later?
I'm okay.
Okay. All right, ready? Go ahead and put on high power. Okay, I'll mix it. Okay. All right, mixing well. Looking good, looking good. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do today. I'm going to make this mix into mini bundt cakes. So they are portable. Everyone can benefit from them. And the trick to this is you have to spray the pan really, really well, or you're gonna have sticky to the pan bundt cakes. You want to spray, Sophia? So I have this ice cream scoop, and I use it a lot. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it into the pan right here, and we'll be done. And I just want to mention too, you heard me about the ingredients, that this is completely 100% gluten-free and peanut-free. Although of course my kitchen is not certified peanut-free, but this is gluten-free and peanut-free for the people that are allergic, and it's very, very delicious. And I'll have plenty of friends that can eat this up. I'm seeing some friends tonight. Sophia's seeing some friends tonight. And we're seeing some friends tomorrow too. So they're always asking me what's for dinner tonight. So this is not for dinner, but what's for dessert tonight is what I'm going to tell them. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in. What is it called when you do this to the food? Wrap?
We're getting rid of the bubbles.
I know, is there a name to it? So, getting rid of the bubbles, my daughter says. I thought there was a name. Just kind of smack it on the table here. Gets rid of the bubbles so it'll cook more evenly. All right? So, 350 for about 15 minutes. So, go ahead and set the timer. Each oven is different, but that one from the past I know took about 15 minutes. All right, so I have a surprise for you. We went ahead and prepared it already. So this is the finished product. This is mini mochi chocolate bundt cakes. Isn't that nice? This is just 4 of about, that was about how many? 30 that were made. And then you know it was made right. And this is just a mini pound cake that I also made. You know it was made right because it's very spongy. Like if you were to take a sponge and do like this, it bounces back in place. And then if you open it up, it also looks very spongy. And it feels spongy. It's not wet on the inside. Okay. So it's okay. So this is how it's supposed to turn out. There you go. So the next step is I actually have a birthday party tonight, and we are going to be making a birthday cake. And I'm going to do this really quick because I'm 10 minutes into the video. And I'm going to go ahead and put the frosting on. So it's a double layer birthday cake. So it's the same recipe, but I had put it in 2 molds, 2 round molds. And these are mini birthday cakes. So I'm going to double it up, double layer. And I'm going to go ahead and put the frosting. And I'm going to work fast here because we have enough stuff to hide the frosting. Hide the flaws, actually. So this is just homemade birthday cake. This is nothing special. It's just something quick, something easy, but equally delicious. And a fraction of the cost. And it's very portable. And it will keep for a couple of days. Okay, and Sophia is getting the decorations ready because we're going to put on some really cute decorations here. Do you want to show the camera right here what little cute decorations we have? It looks like candy corn. Candy corn and little heart sprinkles. Okay.
On the side.
Okay, we're working it, we're working it. All right, so it's coming along. It just needs a little refinement here. And we can always, after the video, clean it up a little bit. And I'm sure the birthday girl won't mind the flaws. She'll be really happy because her birthday is around Valentine's Day, so she gets to double celebrate. Okay, so we can fix the flaws later. So go ahead and put the sprinkles on the top. Sprinkles are always the fun part. Okay, so there you go. Sophia's going to go ahead and put on the sprinkles. Can I help you on the other side down here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, don't concentrate too hard. That's my son asking if we messed up and we're still filming. I'm sure Marianne will love the cake no matter what, especially that it's made from scratch and it's mochi. And a couple of friends have tried this already. Judith, She tried this and she loves this. I wish I could see her and give her some. And I have another friend in Long Beach that loves this. She took the whole cake pan home, Marie. She loves mochi. Wow, it's turning out pretty. Okay, one more layer. We have enough? I think we have just enough. I could do some with hearts right here.
After.
Okay. Do that side. And I hope that you try the recipe, especially if you have friends that have gluten allergies. They will really, really appreciate it because it's very hard to find gluten-free desserts that taste non-gluten-y, that don't taste too cardboardish. So this one definitely doesn't. Make sure you use semi-sweet chocolate, not dark chocolate. Okay, ooh, that's so pretty. So this is, let's try to bring it to the front there. This is the top of it. Isn't that pretty? Good job, Sophia. All right, so we're gonna fix the flaws on the side after the fact. So wasn't that fun?
Yeah.
Yes? All right, so thank you for tuning in. That was just something special that we're doing for a friend today. And I hope that you try the recipe and that you like it. All right, take care. Say hi, bye to the camera.
Bye.